Hello friends! Welcome back! Today, the weather in my village is absolutely beautiful. Cloud with rain sparkles. Look at this, soft rain is falling, the cool breeze is touching my face, and everything feels fresh and peaceful. The birds are flying happily, enjoying the rain, and nature looks like it is celebrating with us today. Oh wow! Listen carefully. I can hear a goods train coming from far away. Train! Its sound is echoing through the fields. But wait, something is wrong. Worried face. There is a lot of water standing on the road. The whole path is flooded. It looks very dangerous. Still, my tractor is moving forward slowly. My tractor is going deeper into the water, and the road is becoming more slippery with every second. This road is very risky now. Fearful face. One wrong move, and everything can go wrong. But I have no other choice. My vehicle is fully loaded with goods. The sacks are heavy, and everything is important. If I stop here, I will lose time, money, and maybe even my hard work. What should I do now? Oh wow, what is this? Anxious face with sweat. There is no proper bridge here. There is only a small pipe under the road. And, oh no! The pipe is broken. It's damaged badly. Water is flowing very fast now, like a small river. This is bad, very bad. Oh no! Police car light. My tractor is stuck. The wheels are slipping. I can't move forward. I can't go back. I'm trapped in the water. Brother! Brother with the tractor. Please help me. Folded hands. My vehicle is stuck. Come on, push it. Push harder. Use more force. Yes, yes, more power. Flex biceps. Faster. Stronger. Don't give up. My vehicle is fully loaded. The sacks are full and heavy. If they fall, everything will be ruined. Push. 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 Oh wow. Smiling face with hard eyes. It's moving. Yes. Yes. It crossed. It crossed. My vehicle has crossed the water safely. Alhamdulillah. Thank God. Raising hands. We did it. But wait. Oh no. Pensive face. Look at this road. It is completely broken. What happened here? Who damaged it like this? Who ruined our road? This is very bad for our village. Children use this road. Farmers use this road. Workers use this road. Everyone depends on it. Oh brother, what happened here? Why is our road in this condition? We cannot leave it like this. Someone can fall. Another vehicle can get stuck. Someone can get hurt. Please, someone help me fix this road. Folded hands. Don't worry, brother. Smiling face with smiling eyes. I am here. I will help you. I will go and bring all the materials. I will bring sand. I will bring cement. I will bring stones. I will bring strong pipes. Together, we will build a strong bridge here. Building construction. A bridge that will last for years. So no one will face this problem again. So everyone can travel safely. We will fix this road for everyone. Because when we stand together, when we help each other, no problem is too big. Red heart flex biceps. Alright. Let's do this together. Oh wow! Look at this! Tractor. I am loading my tractor with big, heavy stones, one by one. Each stone is important. Slowly, the trolley is filling up. Now my tractor is fully loaded. My green and blue tractor looks so strong and powerful today, ready for hard work. Alright, let's go! I am on my way now. The road is still wet and slippery, but I am driving carefully. Slowly, slowly. I am moving forward with full focus. I must reach the spot safely where the bridge needs to be built. Yes! I'm here! Now I am unloading all the stones right here. Look at them falling down. These stones will form the base of our bridge. They will make the foundation strong and stable. After this, I will bring more materials. Next, it's time for sand. Building construction. Look at this clean and fine sand. I am filling it into my trolley properly without wasting anything. This sand is very important. It will help make the bridge solid, durable, and long-lasting. Alright, everything is packed. Let's move again. Wow! I have reached the site once more, and now I am emptying the sand trolley. Look at that! All the sand is coming out smoothly. My blue trolley and my tractor are really powerful. Flex biceps, they're working perfectly today. Now, what's next? Yes! Cement and bricks. Brick! These are my cement bags, and the bricks are ready too. Everything is prepared now. All my materials are in one place. This means we are ready to begin the real work. Amazing! Now it's time to start. Where's my shovel? Ah, here it is. Hammer and wrench. Now I will begin digging. First, I need to prepare the ground properly. I will remove loose soil, clean the area, and make the pathway smooth. The base of this road must be strong, or the bridge will not last for long. Slowly, carefully. I am digging and leveling the ground with patience and effort. Wow! Great progress already! Oh, look! My gravel mixing machine has arrived. Tractor gear. This will make my work much faster and easier. With this machine, I can mix everything perfectly. Now I am adding water into the mixer. Then gravel. Then cement. The machine starts turning round and round, mixing everything nicely. Perfect! Now I will add sand into it. Round and round. Mixing smoothly. No lumps. No waste. This mixture will make the bridge strong like steel. Step by step, the construction has started. Down here, I am carefully preparing the foundation. This is the most important part of the bridge. If the base is weak, everything will fall later. That is why I am taking my time and doing it properly, without rushing. Layer by layer. Stone. Sand. Cement mix. Everything is going in the right order. Every step brings us closer to success. Soon, this broken and dangerous road will become a strong and safe bridge. Soon, water will flow smoothly underneath. Soon, everyone will travel without fear and worry. Next, I am placing the bricks one by one, very carefully, in the correct order. Brick. Every single brick matters. Even one wrong placement can weaken the bridge. That is why I am working slowly, patiently, and with full concentration. After arranging all the bricks properly, I am now pouring cement on top. Now, I am installing a strong pipe underneath. Shower. This pipe will allow rainwater to pass easily during heavy storms. Because of this, the road will never get damaged again. No more flooding. No more broken paths. No more fear. Everything is planned perfectly. Next, I am building strong stone walls on both sides of the bridge. These walls will protect the road and hold everything firmly in place. I am applying cement over the stones carefully, locking them together tightly. Wow, look at this wall! It looks strong, clean, and professional. The water passage is now perfectly designed. Water will flow smoothly, without stopping, without damaging the road. Look around us! Deciduous tree, green trees, fresh air, and a cool breeze. Everything feels peaceful and beautiful. It feels like nature is smiling with us today. I feel so happy. Red heart. Because our road is finally becoming clean, safe, and strong. Now, work on the upper surface has started. I am pouring cement on top of the bridge. This layer will make it even stronger and more durable for many years to come. Slowly, carefully. Now I am leveling and smoothing the surface. No bumps. No holes. No cracks. Perfect! After finishing this step, my bridge is almost ready. Look at this! Grinning face with smiling eyes. I have neatly plastered the cement. It looks clean, smooth, and shiny. My hard work is finally showing its results. Only a little brickwork is left now, my friends. Yes, done! And see this. I have also added a nice border on both sides. Not only does it make the bridge stronger, but it also makes it look beautiful. This bridge is now complete. Bridge at night sparkles. My tractor has returned after completing its duty. Tractor. It worked day and night, just like a true friend who never gives up. Thank you, my friends.